Now, here's the thing you need to know up front. Wyze cameras don't have a magical chain. No, we named it. Change Wi-Fi button. I know, it would be awesome if they did. But don't worry, the process is super straightforward. Essentially, we're going to reintroduce Reconnect your camera to your new Wi-Fi network by performing a quick device setup again. Think of it like a fresh start for your camera on its new internet home. How to reconnect your Wyze camera to a new Wi-Fi network. Before we jump into the app, there are a couple of crucial notes, especially for all you Wyze users out there. First off, and this is a big one, Wyze cameras need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz. Most modern routers broadcast both, so just make sure you're connecting to the right one. If you're not sure how to tell the difference, check your router's settings or look for networks with 2.4G or similar in their name. This is super important for a smooth connection. And for those of you with battery-powered cameras, like the Wyze Cam Outdoor V2, you might need an extra step: deleting the camera from your Wyze account before re-adding it. We'll get to that if it applies to you. Alright, with that out of the way, grab your phone and let's get this done. Step 1. Prepare your phone. First things first, make sure your smartphone is already connected to the new Wi-Fi network you want your Wyze camera to use. This is crucial because your phone acts as the bridge during the setup process. So, hop into your phone's Wi-Fi settings, find that new 2.4 GHz network, and get connected. Step 2. Open the Wyze app. Once your phone is on the right network, open up your Wyze app. You should be on the home screen. Now, look for the plus icon, plus in the top left corner. That's our gateway to adding a new device. Tap that bad boy. Step 3. Select Add Device and choose your camera. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Select Add Device. From there, you'll get a list of all the different Wyze products. Scroll down and choose the correct camera model from the list. It's important to pick the right one, whether it's a Wyze Cam V3, Wyze Cam Pan, or whatever model you've got. Step 4. Power on your camera. Now it's time to talk to your camera. Go ahead and plug your camera in if it's not already, and give it a moment to power on. You'll usually see an LED light indicate it's booting up. Step 5. Press the setup button. This is where the magic happens. Locate the setup button on your camera. The location varies slightly by model, but it's usually on the bottom, back, or side. You might need a paperclip or a thin tool for some models. Press and hold that setup button until you hear your camera say, "Ready to connect." It's a sweet, sweet sound, trust me. Step 6. Confirm in the app. Once you hear that "Ready to connect" voice prompt, head back to your Wyze app. You'll see a checkbox asking if you heard the message. Check that box to confirm you did, and then tap Next. Step 7. Enter your new Wi-Fi password. The app will now display the name of the Wi-Fi network your phone is connected to, which, if you followed Step 1, should be your new 2.4 GHz network. Enter the password for that new Wi-Fi network. Double check it to make sure there are no typos. A wrong password is a common culprit for connection issues. Once you've entered it, tap Next. Step 8. Scan the QR code. Alright, get ready for some sci-fi action. The Wyze app is going to display a QR code on your phone screen. Now, this is where your camera does its thing. Hold your phone up to the camera, allowing the camera lens to scan the QR code. You might need to move your phone slowly closer or further away until the camera registers it. You'll usually hear a confirmation like "QR code scanned," "Please wait," or a similar chime from the camera. Step 9. Confirm connection. After the camera scans the QR code, it's going to work its magic to connect to your new Wi-Fi network. You'll hear more prompts from the camera, confirming it's connecting. The app will also show you the progress. Step 10. Wait for setup completion and configure. Patience, my friends! After the camera successfully connects, you'll be prompted to name your device, like Living Room Cam or Patio View, and then go through some final configuration steps. This is where you can enable motion detection, notifications, and all those other cool Wyze features. Troubleshooting tips. Now, if for some reason the connection process doesn't go smoothly, don't panic. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Double-check Wi-Fi details. Seriously, one wrong character in that Wi-Fi password can throw everything off. Re-enter it carefully. Restart the camera. Unplug your camera, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it needs. Restart your router. Give your Wi-Fi router a quick reboot too. Unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in. Factory reset. As a last resort, if nothing else is working, you can perform a factory reset on your Wyze camera. Just be aware that this will wipe all settings, so you'll be starting completely from scratch. The method for a factory reset varies by camera model, so check Wyze's support site or your camera's manual for specifics.